The city of Birmingham, located in the heart of England, is a bright and diverse place, offering a variety of experiences, both local residents and tourists. Birmingham, the second largest city in the United Kingdom, is known for its rich history, stunning scenery, and thriving tourism industry. Birmingham boasts a charming urban landscape that combines modern architecture and historical landmarks. Landmark buildings such as the Birmingham Library, the Bullring Shopping Centre, and the unusual Selfridges Building provide a panoramic view of the city. These architectural attractions give Birmingham a unique charm and make it an attractive city. Tourism plays an important role in Birmingham's economy, attracting travelers from around the world. The city offers many attractions and entertainment for every taste. Art lovers can visit world-class museums, such as the Birmingham Museum and Art Gallery, or attend a performance in the Symphony Hall. The city is surrounded by beautiful parks such as Cannon Hill Park or Sutton Park, one of the largest urban parks in Europe, offering extensive recreational opportunities such as hiking trails or picnics. Thus, whether you are planning a trip or simply interested in this dynamic metropolis of the UK, the city of Birmingham promises an unforgettable experience filled with history, culture, and plenty of entertainment.